Okay, don't stand over there. And usually if you move, you'll see. Ah! You can see the reflection of my hand. We'll edit that in post.
Go.
I'm reading in my head, and I'm good.
Gotcha.
You want me to do it that way you can get a sneak peek of what it is? I'll show you the before and after editing. Alright, YouTubers, this is Open Pop, all weapons fire.
Then your thing.
Today we've got Iron Spider that we're unboxing, released March 3rd of 2018, so a couple days ago.
Just like, I like that you throw so a couple of days ago.
We're watching it next year.
Oh my goodness,
A couple days ago. Did you do it again, Tim?
Yeah, I did.
I don't think you're in it because you have to be like standing right there. You think we're dubbing over this? This is number 287 of the Avengers Infinity War series. They've got a couple different editions. They've got the red chrome Iron Spidey and then unmasked Spidey. The one we've got here is around 10 to 20 bucks if you buy it new. Unmasked is going to be around $35 to $40, and red chrome is going to be $80 to $110.
Why is that? I don't understand. It's like
Because it's probably super rare. I don't know who sells it. Did you see it?
It's probably from like people that scalpers said it's more than anything. Because this guy was like $10.
Well, I think like brand new, they're all 10 bucks. I don't think Pop or Funko is going to sell it to people who are immediately going to jack the price up on it.
Yeah. But
I assume it's
well,
someone with a contract. They'll probably buy it from themselves and then resell it. We should probably talk about other interesting ones in the series, huh? You should go get the chrome ones.
No.
What?
Focus on it. Remember short videos, open it, show it off. Done.
Alright, so there's probably all the footage we need for that then, huh? Now we're going to take a look at him. Oh, gotta put my hand up. If we're unboxing it, do people give a shit about what the box looks like?
Show the top. I like the top.
The top and the bottom. Yeah, this is pretty neat.
Does it show his feet?
Alright, Tim. Moment of truth.
There you go.
Oh, everyone's cringing. Look at that. Oh, look at that crease. Oh, God. People are going to fucking hate us.
I know. I was saying that we're going to have toxic people.
Oh, he's falling out. Oh, God. He's a bobblehead.
Be sure to put down the bottle.
You do that last. Man. This actually looks really nice. I wish we had better lighting. I just want to get better lighting.
Can you hold him up without holding his head? You kind of covered his eyes.
We'll go through another round that way you can see his face. It's not level. Oh no.
And then take the big one to compare.
A what?
Maybe take like a Winston or something so that they can compare the size.
I don't think they care about that, Tim. They just wanted to see him open.
I like it.
I'm probably going to edit that out.
I still like it.
This booty hole.
It's like awkward.
What?
It's like awkward. It's like we're like doing film school, like the indie film.
And they failed.